Next topic, the right to constitutional remedies 32. Right to constitutional remedies article 32. A right is an order or command. Order or command. The court is an order or command. The right is an order or command that is issued by a court in a writing under the seal. Writing under the seal. It is the nature of a command or prohibition. Prohibition, that means a stop. So, or command, some instructions given to the court from performing the certain act that are specified in the orders of the court. Order in the court, mainly for the right is an order or command issued by the court in the writing under the seal, mainly for writing under it the seals, order or command. It is a nature of the command or prohibition for the performing certain act that is specified in the orders of the court. That is why the Supreme Court is called the guardian of the constitutions. So, the Supreme Court and the High Court, mainly both the Supreme Court and the High Court are empowered to this issue the 5 kinds of the rights. So, the Supreme Court and the High Court. The Supreme Court is located in this New Delhi. The High Court, the Chennai or state capitals. In Tamil Nadu, 2 High Court, one is for the Chennai and one is Madurai. Is the empowers, the court is empowered to issue the 5 kinds of rights. That is why the Supreme Court is the Supreme Court is called the guardian of the constitution. Supreme Court is called a guardian of the constitution. Who is the guardians of the constitution? The Supreme Court. Another one is for this. According to Dr. Ambedkar, the Article 32 is the heart and soul of the constitutions. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Article 32 is the heart and soul of the constitutions. The 5 importance, the constitutions. One is for this. First one is the 5. First one is the habeas corpus. Habeas, the corpus, that means this. The habeas corpus, that means the illegals. They safeguard the peoples. They safeguard the peoples from the illegals. Arrest. They safeguard the peoples from the illegal arrest. Illegal arrest. Second one is the first ones for this Arkonarvu Needi Peronai. Next one is the mandamus. Next one is the mandamus, that is the Kattai Yuruttum Needi Peronai. The mandamus means it the protect of the petitions, the petitioner. So the protect of the petitioners who requires legal help. That is mainly for the legal help to get this work done by the respective the respective the public authority, mainly for the government authority. Public authority means that is the government authorities. The third one is for the prohibitions. That means the stop. So the prohibitions means tadai yuruttum needi peranai. So the third one is a prohibits of the subordinate court. That is a heel court. The lowest sections of the court. First one is Supreme Court, High Court, or District Court, Taluk Court, like that. So that is a subordinate courts. The lowest section of the court. Subordinate court is a subordinate court from the acting behind its jurisdictions. Jurisdictions. Fourth one is for the third one certiorari. Third one is for the certioraries. That means the fourth one is certioraries. One is an order to receive by the subordinate court by overstepping its mainly for the overstepping for the jurisdictions. Overstep the over powers. So that is for the certiorari. That means is by subordinate court. Last one is the quo warrantos. It is a prevent of as presence public office as presence of this public office through the illegal manners, mainly for the illegal manners. So the five importance. One is for the last one is for is a தகுதி முறை வினாவும் நீதி போராணை. தகுதி. So first one is habeas corpus, second one is mandamus, third one is for the prohibitions, fourth one is for the certiorari, fifth one is for the court warrantos. These five is the very important for these jurisdictions. Next one is for this suspensions of the fundamental rights. Next one is for the suspensions of the fundamental rights. So the first one is for the suspensions of fundamental rights. When the president make a proclamations of emergency under the Articles 352 National Emergency Act. So under the 352, the Article 352 for the mainly for 352 is the National Emergency Act was freedom guaranteed under the Article 19 were automatically stopped. Automatically the suspended or stopped. So when the president issue proclamations of the Articles 352, the National Emergency Act. So Articles the 17 is automatically the suspended. So Article 19 mainly for the freedom of the speech and the expressions of the assemblies, associations, the movement, residence and propositions. So these are called this Article 19. The automatically the suspended. The president is suspended the other fundamental rights through this. Mainly the other fundamental rights through this specific order. Some other orders other than fundamental rights also is denied. This order must be approved by the president. Is approved by the president. So 352 is a National Emergency Act. When the president is the TCA president is making the proclamations of emergency orders So automatically the denied for the articles 19. The freedom of the speech, the freedom of the mainly for freedom of speech, and one is for the expressions, assemblies, associations, the movement, so like that. So this order must be approved by the president. Must be approved by the president. So next topic, the difference between the fundamental rights and the directive principles of the state policy. Difference between the fundamental rights and the directive principles of the state policy. First one is the fundamental rights and the directive principles. First, the fundamental rights. It was derived from the constitutions of the from USA. Asia derived from the USA. The directive principles is here derived from these for the Ireland. Asia from USA is the Ireland. The second one is, even the government cannot take away of the abridged. Cannot take away or abridge the rights. Here's the mere instructions of the government. The instructions of the government. These are the instructions to this government. The instruction that means the அறிவுறுத்தல். So some of the instructions given to the government. The third one is, these are the enforceable court law. Third one is the fundamental rights, the enforceables for the court law, but the directive principles of the state policy cannot the enforceables of any court. The fourth one is the fundamental rights. These have the legal sanctions. But the directive principles is the morals and the politicals, the sanctions. And the fifth one is this is a strengthened political democracies in the countries. The political democracy, India is a democratic countries. So here is these rights strengthen the political democracy in the country. The directive principles of this, the implementations of these principles ensure the social and economic. Social and economics. So first one is for the derived from the USA, Ireland. The 7 point, the fundamental rights for the cannot take away for these rights. The directive principles of the measures of the instructions of this government. These are enforceables the court law. The directive principles cannot be enforceables of the any court. The fourth one is for this. These have the legal sanctions. This or is the moral and political sanctions. And these are the strengthen the political democracy in the countries. The implementations of these principles, the social and democracy, economic and democracy. Thank you.